What do I know about Steve Cumberland, or Cumbo? Well, I know he's helped me with my sex life. He told me what it means to love a woman. He taught me about finding myself. I'm living here. Oh yeah, that's my wood pigeon. Nature. Fuck up. Nature. Told me about cars. Yeah, it's mine. Guess which one? Cumbo in a nutshell.